Hey there, this is Eric from BMI, and one of the biggest challenges with any CRM isn't the software itself, it's getting your team to actually use it. Today, I'll share some best practices for driving CRM adoption so your system doesn't just look good on paper, it actually gets used in the real world. Why adoption fails. Most CRMs fail, not because they're missing features, but because users see them as extra work. If your team feels like they're just entering data for management's sake, adoption drops fast. The key is making CRM useful to them, not just to you. So let's hop into some best practices. Best practice number 1. Keep it simple. The fewer clicks, the better. If every call log takes 20 fields to complete, your reps won't bother. Start with the essentials. Add complexity later if it truly adds value. So here's an example of a call log with too many fields. So fewer clicks the better. If truly required, again, add complexity later. Here's a much easier call log to use. Best practice number 2. Show value back to the user. If CRM only feels like a reporting tool for management, users will resist. Flip the script. Show reps dashboards that highlight what they care about, like targets, activities, and deals on the move. Take this example, a sales tracker where each rep can see progress towards their individual target, or a sales comparator that instantly shows how they're performing against peers, or an activity dashboard that helps reps see calls, tasks, and follow up at a glance. The point is, when users log in and immediately see what matters for their day, CRM feels like a tool for them, not just for management. Best practice number 3. Train in context. Training shouldn't just be a one-time workshop. Teach CRM while they're using it. When a rep asks, "What do I do with a lead?" show them in the system in real time. And look for opportunities to do so. Context-based training sticks because it's tied to real work, not theory. Best practice number 4. Use gentle nudges, not force. Don't threaten your team with compliance. Instead, build small nudges. Some examples, some automated reminders if a deal hasn't been updated in 7 days, or adding required fields only at critical points. Adoption grows when CRM helps, not when it punishes. Best practice number 5. Celebrate wins. Reinforce good behavior. When a rep closes a deal because CRM reminded them to follow up, highlight that. Small stories like this build the culture that CRM helps me win, not CRM is admin work. You don't need your CRM to be perfect on day 1, but you do need your team to believe it makes their job easier. Keep it simple, show value, and celebrate wins, and adoption will follow. If this helped, drop a comment with the number 1 challenge your team has faced with CRM adoption, and don't forget to subscribe for more Zoho best practices from the field. Thank you, and take care.